Okay, this is what I would class as a first real test of this quick release belt drive system. It's based on this other one, which I'll put the details down here. I'll put the Thingiverse link for this one here. There's no reason it shouldn't work. I did do an earlier iteration of this and it was printed out okay. There's been quite a few modifications on it since then, so this is the first real test of those modifications in a way. Let me move the camera, and it's actually, the nozzle is going through its auto leveling routine at the moment. You see that this does have a dragon motif. You might be able to just about make that out there. Belt drive, Bowden feeding. This one did not have a quick release. It takes 2 bolts in the back, but this one I've built from this one does have a quick release lever on it, sort of thing. I can't really unhook that now because it's just started printing, well, touching the belt, so to speak. Now the question is it feeding? And there is plastic coming out of this print. As you see, it's turning well. I'll show you the print in a few seconds. I'll show you that it is printing. So basically I can like unhook this lever. It unhooks out of a notch in a way on the underside there, and I can gain access to this filament. Or there's an actual sort of lever on this as well that I can move over and just slacken off that filament if I wanted to. I'll just let you watch this a little bit longer. This print I'm doing now is about 12 minutes or so. As I say, Bowden feeding system. One down here. So, coming down here and going to the print, you'll probably just make out the print there. So here's the print taking place. Down a bit. This green light here is a RGB. It changes colour depending on the bed temperature as a warning to the heat levels on that bed. but the heat bed is only set to 30, so it's green. It means okay, it's safe to touch in a way. So the nozzle is at 195, printing in black PLA 1.75, E3D clone type, hot end 0.4 nozzle on that, printing onto blue painter's tape that was cleaned off with isopropyl alcohol. And what I'm trying to construct, I'm trying to just show you the, oops, oh, my tripod is shut. I'm trying to make a new box for my LCD 12864 that I'm printing from now. This is just a cardboard box, just glued together with super glue, obviously while the 12864 was not in there and allowed to dry, etc, etc, to set before putting a 12864 into that box. That has worked quite well. Shouldn't be much longer really. It's on 13 minutes on the display. There's a Bowden tube. And here's my quick release belt drive feeding mechanism here. Well, as you see, that belt drive quick release mechanism seems to be working well. Well, for printing that is. I don't see any problems with this print. This is the first time I've tried to print out this. So this is constructed of quite a few parts, this LCD 12864 like box. It's going to have a stand on that will have a ball joint in, and then I hope to be able to adjust the angles and such like. That is the basic idea of this print. I expect this to take quite a bit of time to go through a number of iterations, same as the quick release one did. That went through quite a number of iterations. That ring round the outside of this is supposed to be a skirt, but this is the very first print using this belt drive feeding system, so I wouldn't expect that to be 100% too well. And it's finished. And you've seen it did go backwards a bit, that's the retraction. It's very difficult to get in here and show you everything. Well, I have quite a few videos of this quick release belt drive mechanism that I'm showing you some of the iterations it's been through. So here's the part. I expect this to come off quite easily. Yeah. No brim or anything put on this. Few little fibres on here. I think you can see that has come out well by the looks of it to me. Okay, I'm going to go straight into another print. Probably same model, something. Right, it's about to start this next print. So I do have skirts on these prints that helps the plastic filament to start flowing and helps give me a chance to check how well it's squishing down onto the blue painter's tape in this case. Again, this is quite a quickish print, about half an hour or so I think. Using the quick release belt drive feeding system. for the quick release belt drive feeding mechanism that I've been working on. Seems to work well, no problems there. That seems to have come out like a very good print. This is only a small print, but it's come out well. So the bed is set to 30. The nozzle was at 195. Printing in black PLA 1.75, although it did measure more neither 1.7. E3D clone hot end 0.4 nozzle. Printing onto blue paint estate, which was cleaned off with isopropylene alcohol. As you can hear, it plays a little tune to let me know that's finished. Yep, see how well this comes off. A little bit bigger, more area on the bed, but it's come off very well. So this is the knob, control knob. For the LCD 12864. See, yeah, it's come off and it's all in one piece, as good as. That's the skirt. Right.